What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today we're checking out one of our most popular lifetime deals to date, Depositphotos, a Shutterstock alternative that gives you access to over 300 million royalty-free stock photos, videos, and music files, plus their new AI image generator. Depositphotos gives you access to millions upon millions of high-quality stock photos, videos, and music files, completely royalty-free. On top of that, you also get access to their brand new AI image generator for commercial use. As soon as you land on the homepage, you can search for a ton of different file types and categories like photos, vectors, illustrations, editorial content, videos, music, and sound effects. They've got 600 hand-picked collections, popular creator selections, and the newest library ads front and center. With Depositphotos, you'll find exactly what you need in record time. Depositphotos is offering a brand new lifetime deal only available for a limited time. You'll get up to 100 credits for images, videos, music files, downloads, and AI generation, along with a background remover, image upscaler, and reverse search image. And best of all, you're free to use every single asset for commercial use across digital and print. Okay, back to the video. Depositphotos AI generator is completely commercially licensed, so if you can't find the perfect stock image, you can use the AI to generate whatever you need. Then plug that into any campaign without worrying about royalties or copyrights. This limited time deal is a fan favorite for a reason. So hit that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access to Depositphotos right now, because once it's gone for good.